Welcome to Little Bunnyhop.
Hello friends, today let's read about the farm animals. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Kids, let's make a sound like moo, moo. Pig, P-I-G, pig. How it sounds? Oink, oink. Sheep. Yes, H-E-E-P, sheep. How it sounds? Meh. Next comes the goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Oh, it sounds like a sheep. Baba. Next is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. It sounds like neigh. Here is chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-M, chicken. Oh, it's cute. Buck. It sounds like buck. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Hear how it sounds. Come on, guys. Quack, quack. Let's say it together. Quack, quack. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Are you afraid of the dogs? Whoa, whoa. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Bye-bye.